Class 6, Chapter 1, Knowing Our Numbers, Exercise 1.2. Question number 6. A machine on an average manufactures 2,825 screws a day. How many screws did it produce in the month of January 2006? Note, we have to remember one thing here, that the month January, let it be any year, contains 31 days. Total screws produced in a day equals 2825. The number of days equals 31 days. So it's a simple multiplication. Number of screws manufactured in a day equals 2825. Since January month has 31 days, number of screws manufactured in January equals 31 into 2825. So answer is 87,575. So machine produced 87,575 screws in the month of January 2006. Question number 7. A merchant at rupees 78,592 withdraw. She placed an order for purchasing 40 radio sets at rupees 1,200 each. How much money will remain with her after the purchase? Here, the first step is we have to find the cost of 40 radio sets. If the cost of one radio set is 1,200, then what's the cost of 40 radio sets? So it's simple, a cross multiplication problem. 40 into 1,200. So here we'll get the cost price of 40 radio sets, and simultaneously we have to do the subtraction in order to know the amount left with her after the purchase of radio. Total money the merchant had equals rupees 78,592. Number of radio sets she purchased equals 40 radio sets. Cost of each radio set equals rupees 1,200. The cost of 40 radio sets equals rupees 1,200 into 40 equals rupees 48,000. Next we have to find what's the money left with the merchant equals rupees 78,592 minus 48,000, 30,592. Therefore, money left with the merchant after the purchasing radio sets equals rupees 30,592. Question number 8. A student multiplies 7,236 by 65 instead of multiplying by 56. By how much was this answer greater than the correct answer? Student multiplies 7,236 by 65 instead of multiplying by 56. Here we can follow two methods. One is you can subtract 65 minus 56. That is, if you subtract from 65 minus 56, you will get 9. Then you can multiply 9 into 7,236. You will get the answer. Or you can form another method. Multiples of 7,236 and 65 equals 4,70,340. Multiples of 7,236 and 56 equals 4,05,216. The difference between the correct and incorrect answer equals 4,70,340 minus 4,05,210 equals 65,124. So, by 65,124 is the answer, was greater than the correct answer. Question number 9. To stitch a shirt, 2 meter 50 centimeter cloth is needed. Out of 40 meter cloth, how many shirts can be stitched and how much cloth will remain?
is needed, right? So total length of the cloth is 40 meter, that is given. Now what next is, we will convert 40 meter into 40 centimeters. So how can we convert? You know 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Okay. So 40 meter is equal to how many centimeter? Yes, simply we will multiply by 100. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 40 into 100 is 4000 required to stitch one shirt is cloth required to stitch one shirt is given what? 2 meter 15 centimeter is given in question. Now what we will do is like this. We will also convert this question in centimeter. This 2 meter is equal to how many centimeter? If 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, then 2 meter is equal to 200 centimeter. Simply multiply. So 200 centimeter plus here because both unit will convert in centimeter, and when both unit are same, then we will add these numbers. So 15 centimeter. So now 200 plus 15 is 215 centimeter. That means cloth required to stitch one. Simply we have to find number of shirt that can be stitched cut. The total length 4000 centimeter, and cloth required one shirt 215 centimeter. So number of shirt that can be stitches. So we will find out by dividing 4000 by 215. So divide 4000 divided by 215 because both are in same unit, centimeter and centimeter. We can solve this. So number of shirt 4000 divided by 215, we will get, hence 18 shirts can be stitched
and 1 meter 30 centimeter cloth is left. Question number 10. Medicine is packed in a boxes, each weighing 4 kg 500 grams. How many such boxes can be loaded in a van which cannot carry beyond 800 kg?
Weight of one box is given 4 500 1 kg, there is 1000 gram. So 4 kilogram is equal to how many? 4000 gram plus 500 gram. Okay, means weight of one box is 4500 gram. And what? Maximum weight carried by the van is given 800, right? 800 kilogram. Maximum weight carried by the van. So, when we will change kilogram into gram, so we simply multiply by 1000. So our answer is 80000 gram. Hence, number of boxes that can be loaded in the van. So how maximum weight carried by the van is 8 lakh gram. So weight of one box is 4500 gram. Listen carefully and try to understand the concept. So total is 8 lakh and one box weight is 4500, and we have to find the number of boxes that can be loaded in the van. So how can we find? Simple. Maximum weight divided divide by one box weight. So maximum weight is 8 lakh. Simple, and divided by 450 that can be loaded in the van is 117. This is the answer. The distance between the school and a student's house is 1 kilometers 875 meter. Okay, as given in question. Every day she walks both ways. Okay, every day she walks both ways. Find the total distance covered by her in 6 days. We have to calculate 6 days. So our first statement is distance covered between school and house is given 1 kilometer 875 meter. So we will simply solve this by converting the unit. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. I have told you earlier. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter and there is 875 meter. So we will get 1875 meter. Now what next? Student walk both ways. Okay, walk both ways. Hence, the distance traveled by student in 1 day. First, we will find 1 day, and we have to find the 6 days distance. Okay, so hence the distance traveled by a student in first day. So distance covered is 1875, and what is given in question? Distance covered between school and house. School and house is 1875, but both means we have to multiply in both ways, means 2, multiply by 2. So we will get 3750 meter. Now we have to find distance traveled by the student in 6 days. So to both ways distance covered 3750 meter. So take this to both ways distance and we have to calculate this in 6 days. So multiply by 6 only, we will get the answer. 6500 meter distance is, or also we can write 22 kilometers 500.
Friends, we will start question number 12.
Quantity of curd in vessel is 4 liter 500 milliliter. Means one vessel having curd is 4 liter 500 milliliter. Now 1 liter equal to, yes, 1000 milliliter, right? So when we find out 4 liter, that means 4 into 1000, we will get 4000 and plus 500. This milliliter will be added. So 4500 milliliter, right? And capacity of one glass is 25 milliliter. That means the capacity of glass is 25 milliliter as given in question. So we have to find number of glasses that can be filled with curd. How many number of glasses can be filled? If you have 4500 milliliter curds. So see, we will divide this number and the answer. So what? 4500 will be divided by 25. Answer is 180 glasses can be filled with curd.